Hey guys, Fahed Zaman here. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert all kinds of audio files including Apple Music, iTunes songs and audiobooks as well as common audios to MP3, M4A, AAC and FLAC. Tuneskit Audio Converter is powerful audio converting tool. This software can convert all iTunes DRM protected audios to MP3, AAC and multiple common formats. Then you will be able to play all iTunes purchased audios on any device without limitation. The program is available for both Windows and Mac system. The download link of this software is available in the video description. Open Tuneskit Audio Converter program on your computer after installation. Here you can drag and drop media files which can be DRM protected or non-protected. At the top of screen you can see three options. The first one is to add music or audio files from iTunes library and the second one is to add audio files from the PC storage. So from here you can add directly from iTunes music library. Let's add some music files here. And from this option you can directly add from your hard drive. So let's add some AAC and FLAC music files. So here you go. I have added 5 songs to the list. So first here we have option of effects. With this you can personalize any output as per your demand. You can change volume, speed and pitch. You can apply these settings to all the music files you have added to the list. Next we have option to edit the audio. If the audio files are too big, like if you have any audiobook, you can split them into different parts either by time, chapter or segments. And in tags, you can edit info of your audio like title, artist, composer, year and many more other things. Next, click the Format panel and select an output audio format. So select your desired format. You are also allowed to set the audio codec, channel bitrate, etc. according to your own needs. For Audible AA or AAX books, if you want to keep lossless quality, please tick the Keep Lossless Quality box at the bottom. Click the OK button to close the window. You can now click the Convert button at the lower right corner and let Tuneskit start the conversion immediately. Once it's done, you can locate the converted audio files in the History folder at the top menu bar and check the output files from the software itself. So this whole process is so simple and easy to use. So give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.